Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sudhir here, and with this video today, what I'm trying to do is, so I have been trading for almost 8-9 months now on intraday Nifty options, right? And in order to bring a little bit more of consistency in my trading system, I will be doing a daily log of my, um trade analysis as well as next day analysis, and what are my expectations for next day. So those kind of videos I will be creating and uploading on YouTube for my record keeping, as well as to share with all of you, whosoever is interested in looking at these. And uh, that's the idea. And with this video particularly, I'll be doing analysis of the Nifty chart for intraday trading on Monday, right? And the idea is to analyze the chart from top to bottom, that is from the monthly to the 15-minute time frame. And in terms of how I execute my trades, I use the 15 minutes and 5 minutes chart for execution, but then I for trade planning I do analysis on the daily and the hourly chart. And of course I look at 15 minutes also. So those are the three important time frames that we will see today and analyze the chart on. And apart from that, from big picture perspective, I do look at monthly and the weekly charts. And as of now, at the weekly, this is the relevant level, which is at 16,700 for Nifty. And it is far, far away from current price, right? So it's not that relevant as of now. Although this 18,600, which is the all-time high, this is relevant, and the market is approaching that level now from the 18,100 that we see currently, right? And I trade only Nifty, so I usually do analysis of only Nifty. Bank Nifty I keep a tab on, but not very keenly, right? So on the daily, I think this is the level that is there, right? And this level is something where I think Bank Nifty has been there for the past 2 weeks now, right? It has been there for the past 2 weeks. And Nifty has been there for the past week now. It has been trying to eat all the supply that is available at this level, and this level you actually was very important, and market took resistance here. I think this was the first resistance that was there, then second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth time that the market is here, and it is trying to eat all the supply that it could not eat earlier, right? And whatever has been built up from here. So this level, if broken, will be very important, and market will be stronger from here, if this level is broken. And here I can see another level on the daily chart, which is the 18,350 level, and I will just mark it quickly, and then we'll move to the hourly chart to see, right? And from what I see here, I think 18,350 should be the strongest supply for the week. I think it should be very, very strong, and market should not be able to breach it in the week. But you never know, right? What might happen, and given how things are looking up and some structures in the market are forming, especially in some of these stocks, I think market is strong, especially financials, autos, consumption, and probably defense sector also. Some defense stocks are doing very well, so probably market is poised for strong uptrend in the coming future. So that way I'm thinking that market will reach its all-time high of 18,600, but let's see. It's still too far away, and there's a lot of supply that is available to keenly observe and take account of. So I've just made this 18,600 level visible to us on the hourly chart. And now we come to the hourly and see what the levels look like, and probably what is available to us for marking and trading on Monday, right? So this level here, this particular level, I think this is a very strong demand here, and this demand has been there since earlier, right? And all these levels, right? So I went long here last week on Monday, I think. I'm not sure exactly, but then I did trade this particular level here last week, and this entire thing has been a strong demand, right? And this demand area, I certainly executed 7900 and 950 puts on Thursday for expiry, given that this demand area had formed and it looked strong, right? So this area again remains strong, right? And within this area we have this smaller area which will act as a strong demand overall for next week for Nifty. And this is where I do not see the market going down from, although there is a gap here, but this should not be filled in the next week, right? So that's what my expectation is. You never know what might happen in the market, but this is what my expectation is. On the upside, we have this supply available to us, right? And this supply again, not sure if this will hold. It should certainly get broken on Monday, right? And it should be invalidated, but we should, as of now, mark it because it's still relevant, right? And here also there is some price action which is relevant and available to us in terms of demand, right? So I'll probably mark it from here, right? I'll just mark it from here, and I'll probably mark it for 15 minutes and see it there only rather than here, okay? And on the upside between 18160 and 18350, let us see what is available to us. Let us go back in history, and what we can see is, yes, there is this level available. So let's try to mark it, right? This is a level on the hourly chart. And other than this, I think there is supply also available here, so maybe we can mark it. This is the supply that is available, and above that also we have a supply available. In fact, there's a lot of supply available here, given it's the all-time high levels that we are approaching very soon, somewhere in this area. So what I'll do is I'll refine this level here. This level can be refined. It can be marked like this, and we can have a supply zone coming here, right on the hourly. And this is how it looks like to me. Probably this here can also be marked as a level, right? So probably this can be marked as a level here. And this is how it looks like, right, on the hourly. And let us go to the latest price action. So yeah, this is how it is. If we go to the 15-minute, we'll see our level that we had marked, this one, right? And probably we can mark the zone here now. And this is the demand zone that is relevant. And this demand zone we had marked, but it is not visible to us. So let us just make it visible quickly, right? This is visible on the minute chart. And now we go back to 15 minutes. Yeah, this is how it is. And yeah, let us convert this to demand zone, right? So this is how it is. This is what I see as relevant. There is something here also can be marked, right? So let us just mark a reaction level here on the 15 minutes on the lowest time frame that we usually use, right? So this is a reaction level that I've marked here. And on the upside, this is how the levels are marked. There's a strong supply area that is there, and probably market should take at least one resistance here and try to bring the market to 18200, right? That is what I think should happen. And actually what was happening was that, throughout this entire price action in the last week, right, there was a lot of OI getting built up in this area of 18200, 18300, right? In fact, I had in last to last week itself built up my positions for 18200 when the market had closed around here, right? But actually this gap up took away my my stop losses, and I was long from these, in fact this area around here, right? 17800, 17900 area, these two strikes I was long. I had sold puts, so those covered a bit of my losses. But then still, this price action is very, very strong, and thank God I exited at the open itself. But then this, ultimately during the week, you see what happened, right? Market expired here. Yeah, yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, here, somewhere here it expired. So my calls were in profit, but they all, certainly took my stop losses, right at the open. Anyways, so this is how it looks like to me, right? And this is in terms of OI, right? In terms of the OI that is there, 18200, 18300 levels. I usually prepare that also, so I'll just share with you. In terms of OI, you see that 18200 and 300, right? These three, this range of 18200 to 300 is very relevant. There is OI of almost 214 crores built here, across these levels. And this should certainly be acting as a strong resistance. and people, right, the big traders in the market should certainly bring the market down once at least to get their exits, right? Otherwise, if they don't do that, they will have to book their losses simply, right? That is how it will happen. On the put side, like I said, you have this 7900 to 18,000 range that is visible on the chart, also has strong support. So same we can see in this data here, right? There is a OI of almost 117 crores built up as of now. This small amount of data that is there, small value. It will increase going on Monday and Tuesday, but then as of now, 117 crores on the long side is there across 7,900 to 18,000 levels, right? So that is this area, right? So this is how it looks like. What I'm expecting on Monday is, market should open in above this level, at least above this level of 18,200, right? And it should do something like this, maybe go here, probably do something like this, go here again, and then it comes here, right, to 18,200 afterwards in the afternoon or maybe whenever, right? So probably this is the kind of trade I'm looking for on Monday. But if this does not happen and market keeps its strength, goes up, then I will go long from around these levels, right? 7,900 should not have a lot of value. 7,900, 18,000, 18,100, right? These puts I will short, and on the upside I will not do anything. If this market consolidates in this zone and tries to eat the supply that is available, and it looks poised for a breakout even higher, I will not go short on Monday, but I'll go long positionally if the market remains strong from these levels, right? For exit on Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, right? So this is how I plan to trade. This is my intraday, what I will look for, and if market remains strong, I will look for positional longs from these levels, right? This is how I'll trade. Sure. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope you found it interesting. If there is any question, please ask me. I'll try to answer. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah.